Hello, Space VIP. I'm planetary geologist Dr. Kirby Runyon. From your perch above the atmosphere, one unmistakable sight you won't want to miss is the uniquely shaped Carrizozo lava flow. From Little Black Point volcanic vent, it flowed to the south for over 45 miles over the course of about 30 years. Now, when you're in space, here's what to look for. Carrizozo is almost black compared with the surrounding desert tan. It's got two lobe-shaped regions connected by the skinny section between them. And personally, I think Carrizozo looks like the bent bow of Cupid. So how did Carrizozo form? What's it made of? It's made of a rock called basalt, which is one of the most common types of rock, not just on Earth, but in the solar system. Basalt is a black volcanic rock and made primarily of three minerals: pyroxene, feldspar, and olivine. So how did this basalt end up in Carrizozo? 5,000 years ago, basaltic lava erupted through Little Black Point volcanic vent. With a gentle slope toward the south, the lava began to flow. Like other similar lava flows, the flood of basalt began to cool from the top down and from the bottom up, leaving a flowing molten core of liquid lava sandwiched between. This sandwiching of molten lava between cooled rocky crusts is what forms lava tubes. These tubes insulate the lava, allowing it to stay molten hot and to flow for miles without solidifying. As the lava reaches the ends of the tube, it breaks out, forming a toe, or a lobe, that begins to cool on the top and bottom, extending the lava tube even further. But these lava flows do something really amazing. They can inflate, like a lava balloon. Even after a solid crust has cooled on top, the pressure of the liquid lava inside can puff it up. Lots of the ridges and cracks in the flow are caused by this kind of inflation. Personally, the cracks remind me of a cracked muffin. Now, if you ever decide to hike on Carrizozo, you'll notice nested curved loops of lava called ropes. These ropes are diagnostic for a lava flow style called pohoihoi. Pohoihoi means rope in Hawaiian, and these pohoihoi ropes form when the slightly crusty flow wrinkles because of the flowing lava shearing it from below. Carrizozo is interesting to planetary geologists, such as myself, because many aspects of it are analogous to similar lava flows on the Moon, Mars, Venus, and elsewhere in the solar system. Even though we don't think lava has flowed on the Moon for about 2 billion years, you can still see the outline of lava flows in these spacecraft images. But the Moon has something lacking on Earth that look like lava flows, but aren't: cooled flows of once molten impact melt. Impact melt is molten rock created when an asteroid or meteoroid hits the Moon. These impactors hit around 20 miles per second, which is so fast that infernal amounts of heat are created and melt much of the rock around the brand new crater. One of my favorite impact melt flows on the Moon is on the floor of Lowell crater. Look how drippy and flowy it looks. And over here in Tycho crater, you can see waterfalls of cooled melt. Future lunar adventurers are going to have fun spotting these and other geologic landforms on the Moon, just as you'll have fun spotting Carrizozo from suborbital space.